that's the fuel line. And then that must be the vent.
I'm not sure how to get that one off. There's a catch down there, that's what it is. To pull, what is this? Of course, all the other ones are not like this one exactly.
You would think it would just be a push in and
pull.
release, or a pull and release.
Seemed to want to do something if I did that. Looking at this, of course it's a little bit different, but I don't think that's going to actually matter. Hopefully not.
Well, it's different design, but it should be the same.
It was designed for 2009, it was a match. Come on. I can't get enough torque on this side.
Would a screwdriver help, maybe?
I don't know. Because the fact that this catch has got to get pressed. Whenever anything to happen. Maybe this whole catch assembly comes off?
It might do it just like the other one did.
Pull out?
Yeah.
So just
Completely remove it. Just like this one did.
yeah. Okay, what you're saying. If I can just get it to cooperate. Alright, where's another screwdriver?
Did that come off?
It's about to. Come on. Come on. Unleashed. Or unleashed. Oh, you know what? There's a catch on the other side.
Ah.
Got it.
Got it?
That was the issue. Alright.
Okay. So when you lift that out,
You gotta be very careful.
hopefully she won't be wet. Should we make room in here?
Yeah,
Just set it in
just let's go on ahead and do so.
there? Take everything out of there.
Alright. Now this way we can also test that and make sure that it turns on. Get that out of there.
Wow, that's all of them in there.
That O-ring that's already on there, I don't care. 240,000 miles, that thing barely looks like it's used.
Yeah, it looks pretty good, doesn't it?
Yeah.
But we'll replace it anyways.
Might as well got the new one.
Yeah, because this one, you can definitely tell is round.
Mm-hmm.
And that one looks a little flat to me. But I'm sure it would.
Might just because of its age.
Yeah.
Come on, out of the way.
Yeah, careful, there's fuel.
I know, I see it. Come on.
You almost got her.
Yep. Easy does it though.
Yep, real slow. If you can.
That looks almost like it's straight water.
I tell you what. I got it.
Okay.
I got it. So why don't you step out and remove everything from the car.
Almost looks like it's straight water in there.
Well, it's milky. Yeah. More than likely it's got water in there.
Good?
Yep, whenever you're ready.
Oh, it helps if the battery's on.
Yeah.
Make sure the clutch is in.
Yep. Okay, good. We got a pump that runs.
Now to figure out what to do with the old unit.
Well,
they don't give into cord charge on these.
No, yeah, there's nothing. They're not worth anything.
Yeah. I'm gonna like to pay to buy, but I mean, replace it or get any of the money back off of it.
Right.
Get that.
So let's go ahead and dump the rest of that fuel in here.
Drop this in.
Yep. Now just reverse order.
Gotta get these out of the way. That looks like water coming out of that line.
So this is a 2009 Toyota Yaris. You said it's just a standard model?
Yep, base model.
Base model. We were looking for a fuel pump relay, and apparently there is none for this particular model.
And year.
And year. The earlier ones, apparently there is. I know like an 07 has a relay, and it's located underneath the hood.
2008s have relays. 2009s do not. 2010s have have some relays.
Really?
Yeah, I'm dead serious. They skipped this one for some reason.
Bizarre.
Yeah. How do I get this in?
It's going. You just gotta go. I think this has to go in first.
Because it doesn't. Yeah, there's no other way.
I think it has to go in first, and then. Yeah,
there we go. What is it hanging up on? There we go.
There we go. Okay, your seal came undone there.
There's nothing to hold it in place. It's just loose.
I wonder if that seal should go to the bottom side of this.
There's nothing underneath.
Okay. Gotcha.
It literally just is free floating and just sits there.
Yeah, 10-4.
Alright.
Wow, it actually hits the bottom of the tank.
Yep. Gotta compress it too.
Yeah.
Where's the ring?
Okay.
It's in the it's on the other device.
Okay, yeah.
This particular one does not have this ring.
Yeah, you have to reuse the old ring. Which, in my opinion, they should have gave you a new one.
Yeah.
Just because, what if the old one got damaged?
Exactly. Well, I mean, that's extra money. You can pay for the new one, right?
Yeah. Get to go to the dealer, right?
Yeah.
Because
I can't get this around.
pull it back up a little bit, maybe, and there you go.
Kind of.
There you go. You're there now.
Where's the other fuel line?
It's right here.
Okay.
Yeah, this is the vent, and then this is the fuel.
Come on. Because of that spring in there, it's going to be difficult on getting the...
Yeah, you're going to have to... I'll tell you what, here, let me do this. I'll push down while you tighten the ring. Get that. It's got to catch.
Where is the catch?
So try to go backwards first.
There we go. It had the catch, but it's just that tension on it from that spring is just popping it loose.
Right.
Now it's pushing it backwards.
Okay. Yeah, we have to get it completely level. There it goes. There it goes, I think. No?
I can just tell. It's just free floating around there. Alright. this is just free floating, it will not. Alright. This will be a problem.
Well, it came off, so it's
I know it'll go back on. It's just a matter of the fact that I got that tension, like I said.
Yeah. You just got to catch the... yeah. The groove. You got to get your groove back.
The Emperor's New Groove.
Yeah.
Come on, where are you?
This is probably why they don't use them for all years.
Yeah, this was probably the most problematic they ever designed, and decided that it was a pain to try to duplicate.
Yeah, exactly. Oops.
Sorry.
You alright?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Let's see if we can reposition. Try that now.
It's pushed up. Oh, the stupid seal got no.
Oh, that's...
I didn't even notice that.
Yeah.
I love how the gasket is getting in the way now.
Right.
Where is that simple thing supposed to go? I love how it's just a free-floating gasket. It's supposed to go on the edge. And it's just getting right in the middle of the way. Come on, just sit down on the edge there. Don't need you in the middle of the way. The spring on this thing is no joke.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't remember the old one having that much spring to it.
It was old, it was worn out. That's what they were
Right.
saying was the difference. I can't feel whether or not I'm getting to the... That seems like it should have been it.
Mm-hmm.
Alright.
Something's happening, huh?
Yeah, it actually is on there. It's just going to be a pain because I got to do it the same way we got it off. It's going to be the same way we got to get it back on.
Right.
Pound it back onto place. Because I can't get any more torque. Where's that screwdriver? That worked a lot more than I anticipated it would. Now I think I just push these in and should slide right back into place. If it's on there, there we go. Done.
Sweet. There's a new clip in that bag.
Yep. This is the old one. How did that happen? There's a new one. Oh, there it is. Slightly different color.
Mm-hmm. Same principle.
Mm-hmm. Don't worry about that connection at the last. I'm just going to go ahead and start. I love how you have to do this on and off because of the spring.
Right. Yeah, the spring's pushing up, and you have to push it or twist it back down while you're turning the ring. Of course, it does make for a nice tight seal when it's done.
That's what you want with the gas tank. You don't want fumes coming out of there.
Exactly.
Now, there's supposed to be a way that you're supposed to put this on here, where it's supposed to be, have these lined back up over here somewhere. I forgot where that goes. It's supposed to be all lined up nicely.
Mm-hmm.
Now, if I get it that way, fantastic. If I don't, I'm not going to worry about it.
Right.
There's nothing that seems mechanically driven that has to be the case.
Correct.
My coffee's on the roof of the car, isn't it?
I'm sorry?
My coffee's on the roof of the car.
Yeah. Yeah, you might want to grab that.
Just waiting for coffee to spill down the back of the car.
You got a rear seat cup holder? Probably not, huh?
Oh, yeah, but it's in the middle of the way.
Oh, well, yeah. It is what it is.
Stupid little treat or what was it? I think it's one of those like almond things. Almond eggs.
Mm.
Oh. Literally, I have to do every turn like this.
So since we drained most of the fuel out of the tank, we're having to put some more in just so we can catch enough of it in the fuel pump that we replaced to send it to the engine.
Let's see.
What's that?
I can hear the thing running.
Yep.
The only problem is whenever it's trying to start.
Oh, you gotta actually turn the key?
Yeah. Because it won't turn on otherwise. Negative side's got you.
That needs to go over there.
Both of these are red. I got.
Yeah. No, you're not using this.
Oh, okay. Don't use the red. Okay.
Right. What you're doing is looping. What you're doing is keep it away from the battery. Do not let it touch the battery.
And on the third time, you can crank the car and start it up.
That's why he's isolated it completely.
Yeah, you're gonna have to hold it for a second. Let's just hold it.
Okay.
Because yeah, so what you're doing is draining whatever juice is in the lines. Because what happens is the system is energized. It has the electrons are still floating in there, and in order to drain the electrons is what you're doing right now.
Yeah.
So once you can make a complete loop, it just sucks them in.